Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the 6th episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 6. How to enter a care coordination service contact. Log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the client you wish to enter a care coordination service contact for. Once the file is open, click on the Add Service Contact button. Enter all details as you normally would when entering a service contact. Under the Service Contact Type option, select Clinical Care Coordination, the Liaison option. For clients referred under SPS, select the Suicide Prevention Specific Assistance (NEC) option. Please ensure you select Individual or Family Consultation Attended under the session type even if the client did not. This ensures you will be remunerated for the care coordination session. Please note care coordination may take less than the allocated minimum 50-minute session requirements. If this is the case, care coordination sessions are to be entered into rediCASE only once the total time incurred has reached a minimum of 50 minutes. Once all mandatory fields have been entered, click the Save button in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. This will return you to the Actions page of the referral. For further information on care coordination sessions, please consult the PSS guidance document. You can now exit the client file.